Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, guys. How is it? How you guys doing? Today is Saturday, the 28th, 2026. Um, so the market is closed. So you guys see US 30. The market is closed on Saturdays. And I'm just looking at the entry I added on my trading. I took this trade on US 30. So yeah, like if you guys remember, a few weeks ago I did take this trade on US 30, but I did get stopped out before my TP got hit because my TP is right here, because I added my stop loss around that line, that blue line right here, and then I got stopped out and it went down. But now this week, well, pretty much last week, I took this trade on US 30. It, like when I got in after right here, I had got in right there when it started making these red candles, and it started doing all this, moving up. Then I was in negatives for days, right? And then it started going down. Friday, it closed like this on Friday, right? So I took the trade on my live account, like I said. So this is it. US 30. I'm in 1,000 pips, man. 1,000 pips stop loss. 45. You know what I'm saying? TP, current. So yeah, commissions, stuff like that. This is when I open these trades. The 23rd. You see we on the 28th, 23rd. I opened some of these trades on the 23rd, 24th, and yesterday. I added 2 more entries yesterday. So these entries right here, this is, yeah, these entries in the market is right there. It's already closed. So you guys see I'm in 153 pips, points if you want to say. So these were like my first entries. They're all the way on top right here, all the way on top right there. These were my first entries I added, and I'm holding on still, right? So we're gonna see what the market does for next week on US 30. And yeah, man, I'm gonna show you guys the reason why I took this trade. All right, so let's just another learning session, right? So when you're trading, you want to go on a higher time frame. It could be, like I said, the weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes. You just have to go from higher to lower. You always have to go higher to lower. Most of the time, sometimes I go on a weekly, but most of the time I use the daily and 4 hour pretty much, and then I start seeing what I need to do for real. So when you see that, right, you look all the way up here. This was February 11th. There's a resistance on top here. Market start going down, pushing down, making lows, keep making lows right here. There's a low right there. Never break above, never came back up here to, and oh no, let me use this right here real quick. So this is it, right? This right here is a resistance. Then the market kept going down, right? Made a support here, resistance. So it keeps breaking below. When you see the market keep breaking below like this, it don't matter how much it shows that it want to keep going up, it's gonna keep going down. It's gonna keep going down just like this right here, right? You see where this zone is right there? This is pretty much where it's gonna go. That's why I marked it up right there, because right here is a main support. So this right here was a previous support, a strong support at that. This is a support as well, but it break below it. So that means once they break below this support, that means the next support is the one at the bottom, the one below, which is at 43. So right now it's at 45. So that means if like next week, right? So tomorrow the market opens, right? Tomorrow might push down, or who knows what it does. But I already know my stop loss is already good, so I don't have to worry about that. So yeah, pretty much this is how like it's gonna keep going, right? So when the market is in a downtrend, you're gonna keep seeing it's gonna keep going down. Every time it keeps going down, just go with it. That's the trend. So right here, right before it was going up. So this right here is down. This is up. So when it's going up, you want to look, okay, keep making highs. It keep making highs, right? So here, let's take an example. Let me mark this right real quick. So here an example right here. This is a high, right? Right here. The market came back down here. You could have bought there and it break above here, and it keeps breaking above it. You could have got in, like, if let's just say you got in right here, you could have got out somewhere up there as well. Because once you're in a bullish, once you're in a uptrend, you're gonna see that the market is keep going up. It keeps going up, even though it keeps making higher lows. Higher lows is where you can buy at. Higher lows means that, okay, it's gonna continue up, it's not continuing down. But right here is where it continues down. When it continues down is when it start breaking out of the buys. So here was buying, now here is selling. So when it start breaking below, it keeps breaking below, keep breaking below all these lows right here, keeps breaking below all of them. The market is going down. It's not going up, it's going down. So this is US 30. Nasdaq, I haven't touched Nasdaq this whole month. Oh, okay. It did this. Okay. I didn't take this entry, but because Nasdaq was moving funny, like a lot. It was moving funny. Like you see this whole part. This is too much like consolidation. You see this, like it was too much. That's why I didn't take any entries in Nasdaq. And you see my stop loss is right here. This probably, I don't know, this probably could have stopped me out or something. I don't know. But I didn't take Nasdaq. Gold. Oh, okay, gold did hit. Oh yeah, I did take a gold trade before, but I haven't looked at gold either. But I've been on US 30 pretty much, because US 30 been giving me the good setups. You know what I'm saying? US 30 been giving me that beautiful, the beautiful setup. So of course I'm gonna stay in US 30 for now. But yeah, that's pretty much trading, bro. That's pretty much it. So like I'm saying, man, when you're trading, you just have to be on a higher time frame. You have to always be on a daily 4 hour, 1 hour, and keep going down until you hit the 15 minutes and the 5 minutes. And bro, trading is simple, but like mentally it's hard, but it's simple, bro. It's like once you understand it, because I've been doing this for 5 years. This has been my best month so far as a trader. March 2026. This has been my best month so far. These past 5 years, man, it feels like this month wiped out the losses I took all these years ago, man. That's what it's looking like. And I'm still holding US 30 until next week open and stuff like that. So we're gonna see what it does. And I've been more patient, I've been more disciplined. Ever since this year started, I've been more patient, more disciplined, because I don't want to make the same mistakes I made years ago. I want to do much better this year. I want to do much better. And every years after that, man. So, like I said, trading is simple, bro. It's like that's all I want to say. It's simple. It's like the more I do it, the more I understand it, the more I get better at it. That's pretty much how I want to say it, you know. But I believe in myself. I keep having that mindset that I can do it. Every day when I wake up, I have the mindset that I can do it. I can make it happen. I can always do it. And I keep believing in myself, man. And you should too, man. If you're a trader, business owner, investor, whatever it is, always believe in yourself that you can do it, man. I'm telling you, you're going to see things in a whole different way. And stop focusing on the money so much. Focus on the percentages. Focus on the win rate. Focus on how much pips you can get, how much points you can get, how much you can do in a month. You know what I'm saying? Consistency. That matters more than the profits, to be honest. Once you stop looking for the profits, you start looking for the consistency, the win rate, the better and better. You're just gonna do better. That's it. That's how it is. But that's all I had to say for this video, man. I hope you guys like this video, learn something from it. I did send this trade on my Discord. Let me show you guys, man. I did took some picture of it. I'm gonna show you before. I think the same day I took the trade, I sent the picture on my yeah, I did. So this is it. March 23rd, 2026. This is the day, you see? This is the day I sent the trade, US 30 new positions. That's when that was before it started making the move. You see this? You know what I'm saying? I think I moved my stop loss a little bit on that picture, but let me see, 47.2. Let's see. I think I moved my stop loss a little bit. Okay, stop loss right there. Let's see on here. Okay. Yeah, oh no, I don't think I'm moving my stop loss. I think it's the same stop loss. Okay. So yeah, man, that's it. Yeah, that's pretty much what I had to say for this video, man. Go follow me on Instagram. The link will be in the description. Go follow me on X. The link will be in the description, man. And I hope you guys have a wonderful trading year, man. Quarter 1 is almost done. Quarter 2, I want to kill it and I want to do better. Yes, sir.